We will be stopping at Ikoma.
Hi guys, we're now in Nara. So we just went down the Kintetsu Nara station. And then there's a bus there. Paglabas sa station,
3 stops to the Nara Park.
may bus. But you can go there to the Nara Park using the bus or you can walk. Medyo malapit lang naman.
5-minute walk.
5-minute walk. Medyo uphill lang. So we chose to walk. Since it's not that hot today and hindi masyadong maaraw and the weather is fair. Medyo mahangin din. Sila! Go! Time! Don't touch ha! Don't touch muna. Kasi baka hindi natin sila friend pa.
They have horns.
Sige, walk.
What? Before they didn't have horns. They're boys. Why do they have antlers now?
So this is the
They didn't have
deer biscuit. It's 200 yen. Deer crackers.
Share. Ay, ipakita. Anong bili?
I think they're hungry.
bit me. Rocket, rocket.
Ria, bigyan mo si Raquel.
Go. Bit me, Mom.
Yan. Ayaw na nila mag-feed. They don't wanna buy food anymore, so we're just gonna go back to the shopping street. Doon nalapit sa train station. Ang daming kuko. Hungry sila.
There was one earlier walking around, and then there was just poop dropping out when it was walking.
While walking.
Yeah. It was like walking and coming at the back.
Medyo maamoy din ngayon, no? Kasi mainit.
So, nagpapapalit si Madam ng ng foreign currency. So, this is so far the best rate na nakita namin in a machine. So, marami actually mga money exchange machines in 7-Eleven, Family Mart. Dito kami nakakita, and this so far is the best rate sa Nara compared sa the ones that we saw in Osaka. We saw once yung money exchange counter manned by a person doon sa ilalim ng train station, but the rate here is much better than the one there.
Guys, so we found this tonkatsu place here in Nara. So we ordered tonkatsu. Chicken tonkatsu si Ahia, kaming tatlo, and then pork tonkatsu. Si Sir. Then si Raquel playing with the sauce. Raquel! And then free refill ang... hi guys! Dito tayo sa Don Quixote sa may Dotonbori River. Dami ng tao. Nag-iinuman na sila sa donkey na may Ferris wheel na malaki. Pa. Boating.
Hello.
Hi guys.
So we're back in the hotel after our day in Nara, and we were able to go back to Osaka just right in time kasi umulan ng malakas.
After lunch,
na-deploy namin yung aming mga raincoats. And we just bought food from the grocery.
and then we just ate in the hotel.
Oo, so chill lang. So we want to share pala what happened last night sa dinner namin. So we went to this restaurant. My son will put the address and the location here.
Ang name niya is
Ang nakasulat,
Wagyu and Oyster.
ang nakasulat in English is Wagyu and Oyster. And then the name in Japanese with the address is here. Yan. So, what happened was that when we went there, actually medyo malayo siya. Hahanapin mo talaga.
From Dotonbori.
But it was recommended by my sister kasi they had good experience daw there 2 years ago. So, we went there and the prices initially look reasonable, no? But when the food arrived, well, even before the food arrived, may mga red flags na. Kasi they gave us this appetizer na parang picnic
Sticks.
na sticks
Na
na
parang
manipis.
spaghetti
Para siyang-
noodles. Spaghetti
Oo,
noodles.
So,
Na may-
we thought libre siya.
na may
So, kumain naman kami.
You didn't tell.
Yeah, hindi naman masarap. Walang kwenta. Pero, well, it was there. So, we tried it. And then, when the food arrived, maliit ang serving. So,
Parang
What?
small bowl, yung parang pang miso soup na bowl.
So what appeared in the picture is not exactly what you will get. So like for example, there is a picture of an eel na dalawa ang
Ano yun?
unagi na
Unagi.
dalawa yung cuts pero isa lang ang dumating. So bitin talaga because of the small serving.
We had to order more.
So you have to order more.
Kasi yung mga bata parang nabitin.
Even the sushi, manipis yung cut. Like 3 pieces lang. So, eventually, when we were about to pay, nagulat kami. 15,000 plus yen. Tapos, they charged per person a mandatory
The appetizer.
quote-unquote appetizer of 550 yen per person. Ito yung first line
So,
of the
yun-
receipt. Makikita nyo may nakalagay mandatory appetizer.
Grabe yung mga
So-
appetizer. No? Tapos isang baso lang yung binigay.
Oo.
Hindi naman kami tagi-tagi isa.
So, and we compare this with our lunch in Nara, in a nice tonkatsu place na air-conditioned, very nice accommodations, very
And then,
nice service.
Refillable
ang rice, ang
ang miso
soup.
soup.
For free.
We only paid for 5 persons 5,000 yen. Now, last night, na-scam kami. I would say, outright, it's a scam. Kasi, I am aware, no, that there is over-tourism in Japan. I am aware that it's a problem because the locals, maybe they have problems with transportation, overcrowding, and all that.
Sayang, hindi
But
natin
unfortunately, there are people who capitalize, who take advantage of the situation. And sad to say, it will parang naging negative yung experience, no? So, and these guys, itong restaurant na to, are being managed by Japanese. And it's very sad na ito sila nang uuto ng mga tao. And in fact, when we arrived in the hotel, we looked at Google Maps and the reviews. Ang daming 1-star review. So,
Dami palang negative review. Hindi namin din chinek.
oo, so
before
what
we
they are
went
doing
there.
is not just unique to us. It is systematic actually na manloloko. That's why I'm saying that it's a professional scam here in Osaka. And may review pa nga doon na same things with us. Small servings, mga mandatory
Yung
quote-unquote
sushi, very
appetizer.
thin. Yung sushi nila, yung salmon and tuna, very thin yung cut. Na parang paper, parang kita mo na yung see-through na yung fish sa sobrang
Tapos
nipis.
4
Yeah.
pieces lang.
So,
tapos 4
so again,
pieces.
this is the place. Yan.
Ayan.
On our end, of course, we made this review. We are fully aware na it will not have a wide audience. No, we are just starting. But we also gave a Google review, and it added to the numerous 1-star reviews there. And this kind of restaurants should not exist. So meron namang Osaka or Japan Tourism Agency or whatever. I hope they will take action. Kasi as I said, panluloko na yung ginagawa nila.
Mahal
Okay.
naman yung
So,
sashimi,
anyway,
800.
that's it for today.
Okay.
We're just sharing our experience and hopefully it will not happen to you. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Bye-bye.